To prove theorem 25.9, I'm going to start with points O and Q to be my 2 points of homophoity, and a triangle ABC. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dilate triangle ABC around point O. We'll go by a factor of 2. So that moves it, that doubles the size. And then in this case we're going to do this again around point Q. I'm going to go half the size because 2 times 0.5 is going to be 1. So now the combined factor is 1, so we should have a triangle that's the same size, and also it should be the same thing as a translation. Let's go ahead and translate. Actually, let's cancel that. Translate object by a vector. So I'm going to go from C to C double prime. So we see that that's the same thing. Doing these two dilations was the same thing as translating. And it's also, we can tell it's the same size because if we measured sides, we'd get 2, 1.41, 1.41. Here we have 2, 1.41, and 1.41. And we also see that another point P, if we made one, would be ideal because, or in other words, it'd be imaginary because it could still be collinear with O and Q, but let's say we tried to dilate this around P. Dilate our triangle around P by a factor of 1, it would just become the same triangle. So there's really no point that'll dilate this to this by a factor of 1, so that point P is imaginary.